Welcome to Thunder Beach Fall Rally 2020.
Do you want me to take this off so it shows the Harley, so it shows where you're at?
Yeah.
What you need, baby?
Even better.
Big old truck. $4, love.
You ready? Okay.
Think so, baby.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Thunder Beach Rally.
stage here in just a little bit. They got all their pretty on, you know, before they get here. We got plenty of the bartenders and the waitresses. Man, they're gonna take good care of you tonight. You know, just holler at them if you can. Just holler at them. Before we go further, my good friends out here at Sinister Sound and Lucky LED Lights. Y'all go if you need any lights for your bikes. Go by and see them. They've been out here all week, so go by.
Okay, so it's really Thunder Beach. The weather. Got a storm that rolled in. Rain is over. Gets it clean, huh?
It does. It's a cleaner, polisher, bug removal, and one for the whole bike though. All surfaces.
So even down here, right?
Yeah, let me show you. So it's a polymer. There's nothing in it. No wax, silicone, or petrochemicals. So you can spray it directly in a hot motor. Like if this was hot, it'd be no big deal. It'd get in the cylinders and stop the brake dust from sticking. And then it will shine it up, all the chrome, make it look nice. Take the water spots out. Like in the mud, it's great.
Sun setting on Saturday night, Panama City.
Panama City Beach, because it's her first ever swimsuit competition as an evening or swimsuit. So give her a hand for that. Yes, she's brave enough to do this. She got enough fireball in her system to do this, you know what I mean? She needs more fireball. More fireball. All right. Yeah, she likes to get in her man. She likes a funny man or an outdoorsman. So, you know, I'm thinking she's looking for that, you know. Yep, give it up for Crystal. Contestant number 2 from Atlanta, Georgia. This is Macy. Yes, this is Macy. If she could do anything, she would be a cat because they sleep all day. So, contestant number 3 from Panama City. Give it up for Adriana. If she could be anything in the world, be a helicopter pilot. You know, the girls go round and round and round and round. Now, her secret, now I don't know about this now. Okay. Now, I gotta call her out on it. She said her secret talent is she can fit her whole fist in her mouth. Pretty good size hands to me. I don't know. She hails all the way from Destin, Florida. Give it up for Scarlett. Yes, her dream job is to be an archaeologist. Yes. Now her secret talent is she can hula hoop while dancing with the lights and the smoke and all. We're going to get a hula hoop later on. We're getting a hula hoop. We're finding one. We're going to the bus and get a hula hoop. Yes. Says what she looks for in a dream guy is someone very funny and kind and will talk about aliens. So pretty much she's a space freak. She's pretty much a space freak, right? Yeah. I ain't mad at her for it. I ain't mad at her. Yes. So from Destin, Florida, give it up for Scarlett. Contestant number 5 from Birmingham, Alabama. Give it up for Mango. Yes, give it up for Mango. Her dream job is to be the vice president for Donald Trump. She wants to be the vice president for Donald Trump. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and give a little secret away. She's got lips on her butt right there. She's got a pair of lips on her butt. She'll show them to you after a while. Tallahassee, Florida. Her dream job is to be a dietitian for a professional sports team. She can lead them in the right direction. Let you get one more look at them in their evening wear, right? I'm not y'all's guys' way, am I? Y'all good? Okay. Can't go any further. All right. If y'all would, just turn around and look at Rob Stromes. Turn around and look at Rob Stromes. Now, that's just a little bit. Just a little bit. What you see? We're going to send them back to the bus, and they're going to get into a little bit more something revealing.